Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I actually was going to call this my part 3 to my spring cleaning series, but seeing as how it is no longer spring, we're just going to rename it and we'll just call it summertime outdoor cleaning. I've got a lot of cleaning motivation in today's video, so if you need some help and need some inspiration on getting things done around your home, here it is, guys. I'm going to be cleaning my vehicle out. It definitely needed to be clean, and I'm super excited because I recently purchased this Sunjo pressure washer off of Marketplace, and it's in really good condition. If you do not ever go on Facebook Marketplace, what are you doing? There are so many good deals you can find if you are keeping an eye out on stuff that you need on Marketplace. Do not sleep on that because you can find really good deals on there. But anyways, yeah, I was super excited to try this pressure washer out. It seemed pretty simple. I had never used one before, so with a little bit of trial and error, I was able to figure this out. And now I am ready to pressure wash all the things. I was finding things that around my house that I could use this pressure washer on because I love seeing the difference. So we are giving my vehicle a good wash down. I could have taken it through the car wash, but I feel like it never gets as clean as it can if you were cleaning it by hand. So that's what I'm doing, and like I said, I got this pressure washer and I wanted to try it out, so that just gave me an excuse to use my pressure washer. The pollen on my vehicle was so bad. This Georgia pollen is no joke. Thankfully, I haven't had bad allergies here in Georgia. Back in Kentucky where we lived before we moved here to Georgia, my allergies were nuts, and I've noticed that my allergies have not been as bad since moving here. I don't know why. But anyways, I am washing the outside and the inside of the vehicle, and wait till you guys see the difference that the after. It looks so much better. And now I'm giving these mats a good pressure washing cleaning as well. I think it's time for me to buy some new mats because the one that is in the driver's seat floorboard is kind of tearing apart, so maybe time to invest in some new ones. But for now, we're going to give these a good cleaning, and then we are going to move on to cleaning out the inside of my vehicle. First, I am starting out by taking everything out, and that's half the job, is getting all of the clutter out. you moms know when you got babies that stuff just piles up so quickly. The crumbs, all of the toys, all the food, all the stuff. So I'm getting everything out. I was initially going to clean the car seat, my daughter's car seat, but after looking at it, it didn't look as bad as I initially thought, so I'm going to just vacuum out the crumbs. But yeah, we're gonna get everything taken out so we can get a good vacuum and get all of the crumbs and the dirt and the dust and everything vacuumed up out of the vehicle. Now I am just spraying down the interior. I am using a vehicle interior cleaner solution, whatever you want to call it. It's just a cleaner that my husband, I believe he got it for Christmas or birthday, something along those lines. I don't think that we have ever had to buy cleaning solution for our car because my husband always seems to be gifted some kind of vehicle cleaning supplies. I don't know if they're trying to tell him that he needs to do better at cleaning his car or what, but I'm thankful for it because that means I don't have to go out and buy some myself. So, and it does a good job. And now that we've got that cleaned, I am putting a new air freshener in, and this is my favorite, the Febreze linen, and I forget what else. There's something else that it's called. The Febreze linen air freshener. If I'm not using that, I'm using the Bath and Body Works, but I didn't have any, so that's what I'm using. And now the vehicle is clean. It feels so good. Alright guys, so like I said, I just got this pressure washer and I was excited to pressure wash all the things. So I'm cleaning off our front porch, just giving it a little refresh. I didn't have anything up there. I didn't really have a lot of decor. But before I decorated, I wanted to really give this front porch a deep clean. As you can see, it really needed it. So I am pressure washing right now, and oh my goodness guys, I just love seeing this transformation. I don't know what it is, like stuff like this, cleaning and painting videos, like seeing the before and after, it's just so satisfying. I don't know what it is, but anyways, yeah, I'm ready to pressure wash all the things. I was tempted to go to my neighbor's house and be like, hey, do y'all need me to pressure wash anything? Just because I love doing it so much. Is that normal? Am I weird? I don't know. But yeah, I'm pressure washing all the things. And once we do that, we're going to jump to a little smoothie recipe that I make every now and then, and we're going to do a little bit of DIYing. Okay, now that the front porch is nice and washed down, I am going to jump into a few DIYs. So this little outdoor stand I got at Lowe's a few years back on clearance because it was really rusted. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this and I'm gonna spray paint it because spray paint does wonders. I love buying an older piece, especially at Goodwill, finding things that I can upscale with spray paint. Just a little bit of spray paint makes such a huge difference. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this and spray paint it, but I never got around to it. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it made such a difference and it looks a lot better. And I'm just putting these up here for now. You're gonna see me later in the video moving things around. That's how decorating goes for me anyway. I'll put something somewhere and then see if I like it a few days. If not, I'll end up moving it. Just trial and error, but for now, this is where all this is going. I got a few plants the next day after filming this. I went to Walmart and got another plant. You'll see that in a bit, but for now, this is my smoothie recipe that I make every now and then that I mentioned earlier in the video. I make quite a few smoothies during the week, protein smoothies, just to help me get through the day, and I love smoothies, and Abigail does too. So I am just mixing up this strawberry banana blend that you can get from Walmart, and really you can't go wrong with a smoothie. Just put some fruit in there, and you can just throw just about anything in a fruit smoothie and hide the taste of it. And it's funny, when I'm washing this back, it looks like I'm putting coffee grounds in my smoothie. Don't do that. I'm not sure how that would taste, but I don't think that it would be very good. These are actually flax seeds that I'm putting in here, and this protein powder, vanilla whey protein powder, and then you're gonna need a liquid. You can put Greek yogurt in there if you have that. I didn't have any. You can put almond milk, whatever liquid of your choice. I normally put almond milk, didn't have any, so I'm just using milk. Regular 1% milk, and I'm gonna mix this up, and we have a smoothie for the day, and it's really good. Strawberries and banana smoothie.
If only just for a bit. There's a new day
Okay guys, let's see if you can guess what I am making based on what I'm laying on this table here. I used to do this all the time. I have not made one of these in a while. I had a few flowers laying around my house, and if you don't know by now, I'm making a wreath. The wreath kind of gives it away. But I had these flowers laying around. I found them in a box a few weeks before this, where we had moved and they got hidden away in a random box. And I found these and I needed a wreath for my door. This wreath I already had. Actually, all of these supplies I already had on hand. So I was like, okay, let's make a wreath. And I just used what I had on hand. Like I said, I didn't go out and buy anything. So here's just a little idea. If you have flowers or anything laying around your house, you can make a cute piece of decor for your door, a wreath, for cheap, because well, of course it cost me when I bought the supplies at the time, but at this point in time, it did not cost me anything, and it turned out super cute. And when I'm making a wreath, I don't really have I start with a vision in mind, but I don't really have a plan. I kind of just put flowers where I think they would look good, and then I go back behind and hot glue them in the end. I aspire to be an arts and craftsy person. I feel like I could be if I put the time and effort into it. The problem is the time. I don't have a lot of patience. When I'm working on a project, I want it to be done in that moment. I don't like working on a project over time, so a lot of times crafts that I work on, they don't end up being the way that I originally wanted them to or visioned them to be, just because I am not patient. I've mentioned this before in a video, I believe it was in our pop-up camper. I'm not a patient person, and that's not a good thing. So I'm working on it, but I wish that I were a more craftsy person, but yeah, this turned out pretty good. I like it. I don't know if it is in style or aesthetically pleasing or in trend right now, but I like it, and that's all that matters, right? Yes, guys, I think it looks so cute, and what makes me even more happy is that I spent $0 on it, so that's awesome. Now to my favorite part. I love decorating. That is my heart. I don't necessarily, like I said with the wreath, I don't really pay attention to trends. I just go with what I like, and that's fine. But I found this little buddy on one of the chairs that had hopped onto the window. I find these little frogs everywhere around our house. I don't know what kind of frogs they are or why. I find them later in the evenings. Like there will be tons on our doors and around our garage door. Don't know why they like to hang out here, but anyways, they're so cute. Like I was saying before I got distracted, I love to decorate. One of my favorite things to do. So I'm decorating our front porch. I grabbed these chairs from our back porch actually because our back porch was really crowded. We already had a couch that went with this set back there, and I was like, we really don't need all these chairs back here, so I'm moving them to the front porch. And I bought these beautiful begonias at Walmart. I don't know, they're a certain kind of begonia. I have never seen begonias like this, and I absolutely think they are beautiful. I love begonias. I told my husband, I think that they're my favorite flower. I just think they're so pretty. I got these pillows from Walmart as well, and if you need some outdoor pillows, Walmart has some really cute ones. These were only $5 a piece. So yeah, Walmart has really impressed me and stepped up their game. Also got this from Walmart. It's just a cute little outdoor garden flag. It says welcome, and it's got my favorite truck on there. I love decorating with the trucks. And now I am just cleaning up. I did video myself cutting and trimming these bushes, but the camera kept dying because it was hot out and the camera was getting overheated. So cleaning up from trimming those bushes, I'm limited on what I can do outside in our yard because we are renting. So not doing anything crazy, just trimming things up and maintaining them. So excited in the future to own my own home again and be able to work outside. I have found a new love of working outdoors. It feels just the sense of accomplishment that you get after working all day outdoors. You're so tired, you're hot, but seeing all your work at the end of the day, it just gives me so much satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment, and I love it. Eventually one day I think I want to start a garden. Not at this time in my life, but eventually I think I do want to start a garden. And now here is the after. I love how it turned out. Just a simple refresh. I didn't do anything crazy. I just decorated with what I had on hand. I bought a few things, but for the most part, it was very cost efficient. I did not spend too much money. And here's my beautiful begonias that I bought. Hopefully they survive on where they are on the porch. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you got some cleaning motivation and you enjoyed watching the transformation. I know that I did. And join me again next Sunday in a brand new video. Until then, hope you have a wonderful and blessed week.